This is a really good setup, no? Nga you are trying to, you are teaching the students the mother tongue first before transitioning into the second language or third language, no? It is really good for those students nga dili pa kayo kabalo mag-English, and it is really good for the students na sobraan kaayo og English, because we cannot deny the fact that there are a lot of children nowadays who
Ito,
cannot
ma'am.
even speak their own mother tongue. Di ba? There are a lot of students out there na dili kabalo mag-communicate using their mother tongue. So with the MTB MLE, it is a good strategy to help the students. Wala gani sila kabalo unsa ang usa duha tulo, no? Well, ang students pud na they are not really they have not mastered the English yet, it allows them to understand the concept clearly, no? In this way, MTB-MLE prioritizes quality of understanding over speed, no? Allowing learners to build strong foundation before transitioning to other language. It is an art of slowing down because they are not rushing the students. They are prioritizing quality of education over speed. However, kani siya, wala na ni siya karon kay gi-erase siya sa matatag. Am I understood, everyone? Am I understood? Okay, so we have examples here. Who would like to read the first example? Who would like to read the first example? Yes, Janet, you're raising your hand.
Example number 1. A grade 1 teacher explains basic math, addition, and subtraction in Cebuano so students can easily understand the lesson.
Okay, thank you so much, Janet. Then, why is it considered again as MTB-MLE? Janet? Anong makonsider natin siya as MTB-MLE? Nga example?
Because the teacher uses the Cebuano and dialect so that student can understand the lesson po.
Correct. It is MTB-MLE because it uses the learner's first language as the medium of instruction, especially in understanding basic concept before introducing other languages. It is really good to introduce mother tongue first before jumping to the second language kay para di lang pud ingon ma-culture shock ang bata, no? Now let's proceed to another example. Who would like to read the second example, class? I would like to read the second example. Mayon? Yes,
A
go.
teacher tells
Sige,
a
ma'am.
story in Filipino or the
Thunder, ma'am.
local
Magaling ka
dialect
na.
before asking comprehension questions
Sige.
in English.
Okay, Mayon. Why can we say that the situation shows MTBMLE?
It shows MTB MLE ma'am because ang teacher iyahang tell niya ang story first using the first language sa students para mas ma-understand nila before siya nag-ask sa English comprehension questions.
Very good. No, that is correct. It is MTBMLE because the teacher starts with the learner's mother tongue to build understanding and then gradually uses English. No. Understood? Understood, everyone? Can anybody give me a situation that demonstrates MTBMLE? Anyone? Anyone who have an idea? Janilu, do you have any idea of a situation that demonstrates MTBMLE in a classroom? Vic, do you have any idea?
Mag-example, ma'am, no?
Di parang gutom naman guro mo.